All right, Kipsters. So this week's skill is being able to read a poem. So, poems are full of figurative language, or sometimes it feels like incomplete thoughts, or they just don't tell you things outright. And you have to make a lot of inferences to actually get meaning. So, today's skill we're working on with reading a poem is using context clues to draw conclusions. All right, two sisters. The chlorine smell, an echoed splash, another Friday at the pool. My older sister is about to smash another diving record for her school. I smile but hold back my sighs as I cheer for her from the stand. I see myself through her eyes, the little sister, meek and bland. But I'm wrong though, because one day, like a comet shooting through the night, my sister stops me just to say, "It amazes me how well you write." My sister is the star, and yet she envies something about me. I now look twice at those I've met. Some talents are harder to see. So, based on the text, which sentence is most likely to be true? All right, specifically, we're looking at stanza 2. I smile but hold back my sighs as I cheer for her from the stand. I see myself through her eyes, the little sister, meek and bland. So I'm noticing when I look at the answer choices, it's looking like I need to figure out something about the narrator. The narrator is the speaker of the poem. So the things that I'm going to underline are hold back my sighs. I see myself through her eyes, meek and bland. So when I think about sighs, I'm thinking about being disappointed. Like when I sigh, I'm disappointed about something. And then she adds the second part about being a little sister and being meek and bland. What does she mean by being meek and bland? Usually, when something is meek or bland, it means it's weaker or is not as good. So we have these two sisters. One of them is about to smash a record while the narrator is sitting in the stands. She's sighing from disappointment, even though she's cheering her on. And she sees herself compared to her sister as meek and bland, or weaker, or not as good. The best answer choice, the thing that I could infer, is that the narrator feels like she's not as good as her sister.